Kurdistan in the Middle Ages was referred to a collection of semi-independent, or in some cases independent states called emirates. It was nominally under indirect political or religious influence of caliphs or shahs. The best-known Kurdish emirates were Baban and Soran, South Kurdistan, in present-day North Iraq; Batlis and Button, North Kurdistan, in present-day southeast Turkey; Mukriyan and Ardalan, East Kurdistan, in present-day northwest of Iran. In the 16th century, after a prolonged wars, the Kurdish inhabited areas were split between Safavian Iran and the Ottoman Empire. After the First World War and the collapse of the Ottoman Empire, the Allies agreed and planned to create several countries within its former boundaries. Originally Kurdistan, along with Armenia, was to be one of them, according to the never-ratified Treaty of Sèvres. Kurdistan region was scheduled to have a referendum to decide its fate, which, according to Section 3 Articles 62 to 64, was to include the Mosul province. The reconquest of these areas by Ataturk and other pressing issues such as discovering oil in Kurdistan region caused the Allies to accept the renegotiated Treaty of Lausanne, July 24, 1923, accepting the border of the modern Republic of Turkey and leaving the Kurds without a self-ruled region.